Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find this Christmas gift box and address the Impress Christmas update or winter update. Okay, let's get into it guys. There are a lot of items which have been added to this winter update or Christmas update, and one of them is this Christmas gift box. And if you want to find it, you just need to go to this area guys and just click on this gift box, and you will be able to hold it on your hands, and you can change the color if you want. Okay, just like this. I just want to add random color. Okay, and I didn't know this gift box before. I thought that this is just decoration, but apparently we can use it guys. We can click on it. Okay guys, and that's how you can find the gift box and address the Impress Christmas update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.